Driving pleasure exemplified in a compact concept car. Because at Peugeot, we are serious about driving pleasure. Driving pleasure starts at the wheel. And this is not just another traditional steering wheel. This is Hypersquare, Peugeot's groundbreaking steering control system. We have been driving for over a century, and in all this time, the shape of the steering wheel has hardly changed. Today, we enter a new era. Today, we quite literally reinvent the wheel with Hypersquare. But it's more than just a new shape. Control is entirely electronic, delivering maximum agility and pleasure. With Hypersquare and steer-by-wire technology at its core, POLYGON is a drivable compact concept car which entirely reinvents the driving experience. The technology on board is no dream. Hypersquare and steer-by-wire technology will be available on production Peugeot models from 2027. Now, how is this future set to become reality? Well, to tell us more, please welcome Stellantis Chief Engineering and Technology Officer, Ned Curic.
Thank you, Alan. From the very start, we knew POLYGON wasn't just another concept car. It's a glimpse of how we see the future of mobility at Stellantis. Sustainable, intelligent, and always focused on driving experience. Real innovation is not about technology for the sake of technology. It's about how technology improves the people's life, how it makes driving simpler, safer, and more sustainable. POLYGON is built on that kind of future. It's designed to last and evolve. You can upgrade, refurbish, and refresh over time. With exchangeable parts and over-the-air updates, your car can stay as fresh years from now as it's today. We're also rethinking how we build the car. Fewer parts, fewer layers, less waste. Turning raw materials into beautiful components and objects, and reusing innovative materials such as forged fabric to create unique textures. It's just another example how we think about simplification and sustainability at Stellantis. And when it comes to driving experience, among many other things, POLYGON introduces something truly new, a steer-by-wire system, which has already been proven in aviation. It's part of POLYGON today, and delivers agility and precision like never before. Peugeot will be the first brand at Stellantis to bring this kind of technology on our new European platforms. Steer-by-wire replaces the mechanical connection between the steering control and the wheels with a fully redundant electronic steering system. You feel the difference immediately. The driving is very smooth, more responsive, and you feel as one with the vehicle. At low speed, the parking becomes completely effortless. No more twisting and turning your arms when you're parking. At the higher speeds, the car feels incredibly stable and natural. The car is controlled with the small, easy movements of Hypersquare. At Stellantis, we develop technology to make things simpler, more intuitive, and more fun to drive. For us, a big part of innovation is about creating a pleasure through simplicity.
Exactly, Ned. Simple. Parking is a piece of cake. Because driving pleasure is simply simplicity. With Hypersquare, Peugeot promises the perfect blend of fun and agility. The compact, patented shape of Hypersquare opens the door for endless possibilities. And who better than Peugeot Head of Design, Mathias Ossan, to tell us more about how POLYGON Concept is shaping these future possibilities.
Hello Alain. Yes, indeed, the possibilities are endless. And Hypersquare is just the beginning of the story. Hypersquare, at its core, POLYGON doesn't just reinvent the steering wheel. It reimagines everything around it. POLYGON is a proving ground for the next generation of the Peugeot i-Cockpit, introducing a completely new vision of interior space, light and movement. Hypersquare controls are now right at your fingertips. And thanks to steer-by-wire technology, there is no steering column, no physical link, just precision and freedom. Freedom that unlocks agility and fun. Freedom that unlocks space. Space that breaks boundaries, with more space in a smaller footprint. And with that space come light. Polygon's cabin is flooded with natural light, thanks to its sweeping glass surfaces. But it doesn't stop there. Polygon is breaking boundaries in its production methods too. It sets a revolution in themselves. Ultra-simplified, 3D print by Nagami. Want to match your seat to your mood? Simply swap the foam in minutes for new colors and new shapes. Sustainable, playful, and brilliantly simple. And where are all the screens? In Polygon, the only screen you need is the windscreen. Behind the Hypersquare, micro LEDs project information directly onto the glass. All essential information accessible in an instant. Speed, data, and more. All at eye level, all in real time. Thanks to a complete micro LEDs ecosystem, the interior and exterior are as one. You can even view live in-vehicle information from outside. You can find the same tech outside. We are all familiar with LED headlights, and Polygon explores the use of micro LED screens. So the three iconic clothes are reimagined and now customizable. Every driver can shape their own lighting signature, front and rear, while staying unmistakably Peugeot. Talking about innovation, let's speak about sustainability. Ultra-light and fewer parts. Less weight means less energy. Fewer raw materials. Polygon redefine what it means to own a car. It evolves with you. Sustainability isn't an afterthought. It's designed from within. It's a strong collaborative approach we have with our partner Nagami. Recycled materials are everywhere. Door panel and floor mats are made from forged fabrics. Polygon seats made from recycled PET plastic. Each seat, for example, is just 3 parts: the shell, the frame, and the foam. Fewer parts, less raw materials, less energy used in manufacturing, and less production time. Simple, smart, and sustainable. Polygon isn't a car, it's an experience. A vehicle with endless possibilities. Urban for the city, player for the ultimate fun, explorer for the adventurer in you. One car, infinite configuration. You can even customize your Goodyear tires. Because Polygon is more than a name, it's a philosophy. A car with many sides. Polygon breaks boundaries, shaping the future as we drive towards a sustainable tomorrow.
Yes, definitely. Polygon drives us forwards towards a more sustainable approach. Future-proof, with fewer parts, more efficient manufacturing methods, and extensive use of recycled materials. Polygon showcases the future of Peugeot design, a bold expression of French charisma, with an interior that pushes boundaries to offer reimagined space, design, and onboard experiences. Polygon is the ambassador of tomorrow's driving pleasure, with agility made possible by our unique Hypersquare steering control and steer-by-wire technology. Polygon is a vision of a bright future, a vision of pleasure that you will see very soon in Peugeot cars on the road. Thank you all et bon voyage!